Welcome to our Degrees of Latitude Healthcare Professional Training Program. The LATITUDE NXT website offers you flexibility and control over how you receive, review, and manage Boston Scientific device and patient data. In this training module, you will learn how to transfer patients in LATITUDE NXT. As clinical needs change, it may be necessary for patients to be moved to a different patient group or transferred to a different clinic entirely. In LATITUDE NXT, patient moves and transfers can be seamlessly executed once you have the proper patient consent documentation. To move a patient between groups within the same clinic, simply go to All Patients and click on the name of the patient you wish to transfer. From that patient summary page, click on the Edit View Patient and Equipment Information button. Scroll to the Patient Group Membership section and choose the new patient group from the drop-down menu. From there, simply click on Save and Close to complete the patient group transfer. If alerts or interrogations for this patient have not been dismissed, they will be transferred to the new patient group. If the patient is set up to use patient group defaults, the patient will assume the schedule and alert configurations of the new patient group. Please note, only users of the new patient group will see the patient. Additionally, because you're moving the patient within your clinic, the patient's follow-up and alert history will be maintained. In the event a patient has asked to be followed by your clinic, simply follow the patient enrollment process. The only difference between enrolling a patient new to LATITUDE NXT and transferring a patient already enrolled by a previous clinic is that the system will ask if the patient has authorized the transfer. If the patient has provided consent to be monitored remotely by your clinic, select the checkbox next to the My Clinic is now following this patient statement. Once you complete the remaining steps of the standard enrollment process, the patient will be immediately transferred to your clinic list. You will now be able to see the patient's current data, as well as any undismissed alerts from their previous clinic. You will not, however, see any follow-up or alert history from the previous clinic. Users at the patient's previous clinic will now see the patient's monitoring status show Patient Transferred on the Not Monitored Patient list. It's important to note that no new data will be visible to users at the patient's previous clinic. However, their historical follow-up and alert history information is available to them, should they wish to print any reports from the time frame when they were monitoring the patient in their patient group. The previous clinic is able to unenroll the patient from the Edit View Patient and Equipment Information page. At this time, the patient is removed from the patient list. All historical data is no longer available. Congratulations! You successfully completed the Degrees of Latitude module on transferring patients in LATITUDE NXT. If you still have questions about transferring patients after viewing this segment, please refer to the other tools available to you on our website, or call our LATITUDE customer support team at 1-800-227-3422. Continue checking our YouTube channel at latitudенxt.com/YouTube for additional Degrees of Latitude training modules.